lugar ng ulap sa baba. Lungkot ng ulap. Nandito na kami sa taas talaga. Ulap. Ganda ng formation ng ulap. Sa taas. Hindi na makita yung ano sa baba. Puro ulap na lang nakikita dito. Ulap na lang nakikita dito. Tiglis. Nasa taas na talaga kami.
The seatbelt sign is switched off.
Ganda.
For your
Parang
safety,
angel.
remember to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened.
Parang yung angel yung formation ng ulap. Parang lumilipad na. Tapos, ayun o, parang angel. Tapos yung kasunod na. Ganda.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, we are selling snacks on board. However, due to our short duration of flying time and of weather condition en route, we may not be able to roll out our buy-on board trolley. Instead, your cabin crew will now be walking down the aisle to take your orders. For the complete options of our snack items, you may check out our menu cards and receipt.